When the unfortunate happens, you need a team you can trust, a team with decades of experience, trusted by the nation's premier insurance companies. When it comes to the contents of your home, you can trust the team of experts at Margaret's Cleaners. Margaret's professional, experienced team can guide you through the processes necessary to get your life back to normal. With Margaret's specialty Couture wardrobe restoration services, the Margaret's restoration team handles all the contents of your home, from the drapes and window coverings to area rugs and furniture, your bedding and linen, all the contents of your home. And when it comes to your valued wardrobe, the specialists at Margaret's can handle everything from leather and fur and specialty items like this velvet coat with feather trim. Using their patented Gratis software, everything is photographed and inspected prior to processing. Margaret's Restoration Services provides a level of quality and accuracy that is unparalleled in the industry. As part of the Gratis process, everything is photographed in the home and packed out with such detail that your belongings will be returned to the exact room, right down to the drawer or closet they came from. It truly is white glove service. In their San Diego facilities, the items marked in Gratis are loaded to a virtual closet. That virtual closet then gives you the ability to select items to be expedited and returned. Restoring a Couture wardrobe requires a special skill set, a skill set few restoration contractors have. When you combine Margaret's decades of experience with today's latest technologies, you get the professional service you demand. We know life happens. You can trust the team of experts at Margaret's Cleaners.